Well, this is a diary number 2 from Cruinn, and we're in the second day of mixing. We're on to track number 7, I think it is, and maybe we'll just go in and have a look and see what the lads are doing. Here we have Jim Sutherland and Stuart Hamilton, lads, and James whistling. So that's a taster of what's coming up on the latest Cruinn album, or the first Cruinn album, and we'll have more diary entries as the weeks progress and we do our gig at Celtic Connections at the end of the month and launch the album. Okay, until then, cheerio.